Recent changes in DWI law in New York have made the ignition interlock device a concern for most people charged with DWI. Essentially, what's required now is that any person who's convicted of misdemeanor DWI is required to install an ignition interlock device for at least 6 months after they've been convicted of that crime. That time frame can be extended significantly depending upon the nature of the offense, the person's criminal history, or their DWI history. If someone's placed on probation, more often than not, the terms of that probation are going to require that the operator install an ignition interlock device on their vehicle for the duration of their probation sentence. And that is either a 3-year period or a 5-year period, depending if you've been convicted of a misdemeanor or a felony in New York. Many people are surprised to learn that ignition interlock device requirement is not tied to your ability to drive. In New York, if you're convicted of a DWI, you're required to install an ignition interlock device on any vehicle you own or operate, regardless of whether you have a valid driver's license. The cost can be very high. The cost to install it ranges between $200 and $300, and the cost to maintain it monthly ranges between $80 and $125. If you've been charged with DWI and you're concerned with having to install an ignition interlock device on your vehicle, call Team Green Lawyers, let us review your situation with you and help you get the best outcome possible.